Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Tesla Model X key fob. First thing you need to do is get your tools. You need a little screwdriver like this. This came from a cell phone repair kit, just something with a really small little flat blade like that. And secondly, you need a new battery. I got this one off Amazon. It was about maybe $1.50. There's a link below to take you straight there. Okay, so basically what you want to do is on the back side of this, there's a little notch right here, and you want to go up this way. Yeah, so put it in like as far as you can and push up. Okay, so there you go. And this is the battery. Now these batteries are kind of thick, so maybe a little bit more difficult to get out, but there's a little ridge here. Kind of push up against that. And there you go. Okay, so take out your new battery, put your new one in, put this side in first, push it down, it'll click in. As far as this goes, this side here, there's a little indentation right there. Push in and close it up. There you go. Hope this helped. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.